that we are getting for you at this point in time. A major tragedy has unfolded in Kolkata's Taratala area after the roof of an under-construction warehouse collapsed. Several workers were reportedly inside the three-story structure when the roof caved in, trapping many under the debris. Rescue operations were launched immediately by locals, followed by police, fire services and disaster response teams. As of now, 4 people have been confirmed dead. They've lost their lives. Several others have been injured and many are still feared trapped as rescue efforts continue. Let's now go across to my colleague Ridhita, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Warehouse roof has collapsed. Give us more details. What's happening right now? I can see some activity behind you as well.
Well, absolutely. You see that I'm standing at the exact adjacent building of this factory. Now the factory that I show you off, here is the roof that has collapsed this Wednesday afternoon, and it is very heart-wrenching out, and several workers were working inside this in this factory. Now understand that this factory was actually the warehouse, as a godown for products like rice, sugar and several other items, and this afternoon this building was actually under renovation, while several workers were inside this structure which is made out of metal and asbestos had actually collapsed down, which has caused injuries to a lot of laborers. They were succumbed. They're also understanding that at this moment there can be a lot more bodies which are trapped inside. There is the entire rescue operation which is going in at the moment. The Minister Agnimitra Paul has also reached back again at the incident spot. You can see that the 2 battalions of NDRF team is here. There is the fire personnel, there is the disaster management team, there is Kolkata police along with the state police. There are several ambulances coming in who are actually trying to control the crowd, which has led out to panic situation in this entire area. Along with that, we also see that this roof is being tried to pull up, as we understand that there can be many more other bodies which are trapped inside. However, as of now, 8 has been rescued and they have been taken to SSKM's trauma center, and at the SSKM trauma center 4 has been sources say that 4 has been called for dead. The other 4 are under treatment as of now, but one after the other, again an ambulance which is entering, so one after the other, the bodies, as the roof is being lifted and the structure is being lifted, bodies are coming out and they are being taken out and taken to the trauma center of SSKM. They're also trying.
Right. So,
you see, there are
what you're telling us right now is that the rescue effort is currently underway on war footing. 4 people, unfortunately, have lost their lives. 8 people have been successfully rescued who are currently undergoing treatment at a hospital. And do we know as to how many more could still be trapped under the debris?
Well, absolutely. You see that this entire structure, which is made out of metal and asbestos, has actually collapsed, and there were several workers working in. But sources likely tell us there can be more people, like the number can score up and above 20 who are yet of now trapped inside. But that the official figures will only come to light only and only when the entire evacuation and the rescue process is completed. But you see that there are multiple of cranes that have been brought. First, initially there were 2 cranes that was brought to the spot, but then looking at the weight of it and the amount of injury that has been caused in this entire area, there has been more cranes that have been brought to the area. There is back-to-back ambulances. In the middle we had seen that the ambulance number had stopped, but now again back-to-back ambulances have been brought. Also, I'll show you another side of the visual where the locals have come into this area and created a first aid spot. So you see local women who have come out from the area, because the Taratala is a industrial area again, and amidst with this under renovation building was having a go down kind of a system. Under whose notice was this going on? That is also not clear. So you see the locals who have come out, their families might have been trapped, because the 4 who have succumbed to death, they are resident of this very area only. They are by to the area. So people out of panic are coming in. They are setting up their first aid stalls here. Police is working. Evacuation process is going on. But the numbers are yet to be got into light, that how many are still trapped inside, and also how many are dead. You see fresh visuals where the army personnel have actually entered the building roof, which has collapsed. You see the army personnel, they are walking in and they are getting inside. There is a tunnel that has been tried to proceed inside. They have broken into it and they are going in to find out if there are more people who are trapped inside. The NDRF team, they are cutting the metals. If my camera person Indranil, he zooms in, you can see that they are cutting into that area. They're disconnecting the generator line, the electricity line, and as that side, that is the back end of the factory, we can understand that there are more people there. There are also dead bodies that is being recovered from that area as heavy deployment shifts to that area. A tunnel has been freshly made so that they can get inside and bring out the people who are still trapped inside, or anybody that has succumbed to death. So this is a horrific incident and a situation that Taratala, which is just in South Kolkata, only witnessing now.
Right. Hridita, for now, thank you for joining us with your inputs on this story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this big update. Meanwhile, viewers, we also have a ground report for you from the site where this wall collapsed of a warehouse. 4 people have lost their lives. 8 have been rescued already, and right now the rescue operation is going on. NDRF teams are also present at the spot and carrying out the rescue operations. They're trying to, eject out as many people as possible from the debris. Take a look at this report sent to us by my colleague Pooja.
We're currently at the site of the collapse and we can see this huge under construction go down, collapsed, leaving several trapped inside. However, there is no confirmation as far as the number of people who are trapped inside, but what we're given to understand, and the locals are telling us, that anywhere between 30 to 40 laborers could be trapped inside. While we're seeing that the rescue operations are continuing on wharf fitting, we're seeing that the hydraulic cranes have come up here. All the other cranes have also reached here to ensure that once this iron structure could be removed, then only they can reach the people who are trapped inside. While 7 to 8 people have been rescued out of this debris, but the government officials are yet to give us a confirmation whether all of them are alive or have suffered injuries. Currently, all the senior officials are at the site where the rescue operations are on. We can see the minister from the Bengal government, Mr. Indranil Khan, is also here at this point in time, and he's also overseeing. And this point in time, the West Bengal government has also issued a helpline number, and a control room has been set up at the West Bengal Secretariat, Nabarno, to monitor this rescue operation round the clock. In Kolkata with video journalist Kaushik, this is Pooja Mehta for Times Now.